Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Jansen Fancher with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Check out our newest brokerage listing, a Sea Ray 2006 40 Sundancer, hydraulic swim platform, remote, radar, massive sound system upgrades, great wraparound seating. Notice how the stitches are not tearing. Vinyl all appears to be in great shape. Bow thruster. 750 on one of the engines, 760 on the other. This does have cockpit AC. 1,700 hours on the generator. Refrigerator freezer combo. Nice kitchen. This boat is in great shape. And of course we got the master. Head. Opposite side shower. If you guys want to set up an appointment to see this boat, my direct line is 573-606-3029. As for Jansen, thanks and have a great day.